Hello, I am Michael Dross. I am your son or daughter's Hope teacher this year, which is just another name for PE, really. And right now, you're looking in the background of all the modules that we will be doing this year, which comprises of 6 of them. I'll do 3 the first semester and 3 the second semester. And it just goes down anything for health topics to life skills to physical fitness, you name it. It's in here to kind of broaden your son or daughter's horizons for growing up and living a healthy lifestyle. We do this 2 times a week at least, normally on Tuesdays and Thursdays in the classroom on their Chromebooks. So that's required to have in the classroom so they can get some work done. It should be limited to no homework for this class because of that. Wednesdays and Fridays, I like to take them out to either the track, we go to the gym. We're doing something that's physical, moving. They're not required to participate in the sport, but they've got to be moving. So if we go out and play soccer, for example, on the track, if they don't want to play soccer, they have to walk around the track for the full, it's about 45 minutes that we're out there for it. And that counts as a participation grade, whether you're playing in the sport or moving. The only kind of change of clothes that they really need to do is just not really clothes, just shoes. That's as long as they have something that can be moving in comfortable, I'm okay with it. But that's really the gist of this whole course is healthy lifestyles, whether it is learning something mentally or producing something physically out in the field. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at drossm@leonschools.net. I make myself very available for any parents' concerns or comments, and I'll reach out to all the parents too if your son or daughter is not on the pace. But it's really hard not to be on pace for this class. We get a lot of time to get things done. All right. Well, just let me know if I can help with any way. Just reach me on email, and I'll be happy to help. Thank you.